Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from an image in Google Slides using the full 2026 setup. Google Slides doesn't have a built-in background removal button, but there are a few simple tricks you can use to get a clean, transparent look without needing advanced tools. So yeah, open your browser, go to google.com, sign in with your account, and open Google Slides. Once your dashboard loads, open a blank slide and insert the image you want to edit. The first method is the shape mask trick. Select your image, click the arrow next to the crop icon, and choose a shape like a circle, rounded rectangle, or even an arrow. This doesn't truly erase the background, but it hides most of it inside a clean shape and gives you a modern graphics style. The second method is the best one, using remove.bg. Open a new tab, upload your image, and the website instantly removes the background for you. Download the PNG version, then insert it back into Google Slides. Because it's a PNG, it keeps the transparent background and looks super clean when placed on any slide. Resize it, reposition it, and you're good to go. A third method is using Google Drawings. Go to drawings.google.com, insert your image, and play with the adjustments tools to brighten, fade, or shape crop specific parts. Then download your edited image as a PNG and place it into Slides for a cleaner cutout. Once your transparent image is in Google Slides, you can boost the design by opening Format options and turning on Drop Shadow or Reflection. These small effects can make your cutout look more polished on a slide. Try placing colored shapes behind the image to test how clean the edges look on different backgrounds. And that's it. That's how to remove the background of an image in Google Slides using the 2026 setup. With masks, Remove BG, or Google Drawings, you can create transparent images that look professional and fit any project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the